It's me, Burps Magoo. Welcome to my first ever pay-per-view. Just so you know, I don't really know what I'm doing. As you guys all know, I'm very new here. But I wanted to do a burping contest with one of my best friends and just like see if you like what we got. I feel quite confident that I'm going to win this burping contest. Beside me, I have our special guest star judge, Anessa Frantowski, very hilarious. Check her out in the Amazing Gail Pile. I hope it's not bad that I use your credits on OnlyFans.
Absolutely not. It's on Amazon Prime.
Yeah. I got celebrity burp contest judges.
Yes, I am a celebrity judge.
And she looks so lovely.
Thank you so much. I just appeared on an online dating show, so.
Yeah.
So that's it. And if those don't work out, guys.
Yeah. Can't burp, though, but I am here to judge them.
She can't burp. She can't burp. Speaking of can't burp, let's bring my fellow competitor, another BFF, Jen Murphy.
I'm not good at burping.
You might know her from she's my podcast partner on Jill and Off. I think it's a place that a lot of you guys came to discover my burps because I think I originally got my big break as a burper on our podcast.
You did.
Yeah.
You got thousands of views, and they would mark the time that you burped.
People know what they like. Yeah, no, and I'm really grateful that
burp?
that was like on the house. That burp wasn't even part of the competition. I'm throwing them down right away. So yeah, all right, let's set up the rules. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a best of 5 burps. Anessa's gonna judge and a scale of 1 to 10, burping with the stars.
Yes.
And you
want to know the criteria I'm looking for as a judge?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna be looking for tone, length, volume, and creativity. Now, I'm not a burper myself, but this is what I imagine burpers might care about. Tone,
what about
length,
girth?
volume. I think that is included in girth is included in tone. Tone is like the noises, the amount of noises it makes. Volume is obviously volume. Length obviously is a factor among burps. And creativity if you're just putting a fun spin on it somehow.
I feel like the fun spin is going to be like how much our boobs like flex during the burp. Right?
That could be part of creativity. That's one aspect.
You got bigger boobs than me.
Well,
there's many ways to be creative that are not boob related.
And I've eaten a lot of nachos in the last 2 years. That's why my boobs got
every
so
burp. I'm just like this.
Yeah, just burp like this.
Number 5.
I feel like you're gonna get a tip off that. Already impressing the judge before the game starts.
Number 5 burp instead of a burp is just gonna be a nip.
Then you're gonna win. Oh shit.
I'm just kidding. I won't do that to your OnlyFans.
No, they would love it. And remember, this is a pay-per-view. This is why you pay-per-view. It's a special. You don't know what's gonna happen for festivity.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So here we go. All right. So best of 5 burps. And you get, let's just say we each get 5 seconds to do whatever we got to do, whether you want to swallow air for your burp or if you want to like chug beer for your burp.
Prep.
So yeah, there's like a 5-second prep per burp. I feel like that's right. Okay. So as I feel like because I'm the host, I want you to go. You're my guest, and I'm gonna let you go first. Round one. Jen Murphy. I like the aftershock. How did the judge feel?
Okay, you know what? I really liked the volume on that. It was an unexpected tone. I'm going to go ahead. First burp of the day. We're giving that a 6.
She's getting a 6. Get right in there. She's getting a 6.
Better than average.
Yeah. You know what? Not bad. All right. Okay, my turn. I'm just going to drink more wine, even though I have beers on deck, but
Who burps on wine?
I don't even need wine. All right.
That sounded like you kind of sharded at the same
I
time.
know. I don't think it was my best work. Oh no! I've gotten too cheeky. Oh no!
Oh, you were throwing out those huge ones before we even started. Like, I got this.
What if I blew my load like on the pre-show and then like the actual competition I fucking lose?
Number one.
It would be a scandalous outcome that your viewers would absolutely go insane.
Would they fucking unsubscribe? Oh, that's right. No Spicker Magoo here. What?
Save it for creativity.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, all right. Round 2. Jen Murphy and action.
Oh.
Big chug here.
That was a weak one. That was a
threw up
slow
a little bit in my mouth.
I mean, we all do. It's fine.
Okay. I have to say, I do appreciate the creativity, but I do have to go follow the other creativity. So I did give you a 3.5 on that one.
5.
I give the judge creativity points for using decimals.
I do too. I never would have thought of that.
I know. I think that was really nice. Okay. Guess what? I'm digging into the beer.
Man, it's gonna be like. I hope
I got cocky on the last one. I was like, I don't need anything to burp.
You did it when you learned a powerful lesson.
Mm.
Getting into the beer, which is, we know her stronger burp drinking.
Uh-oh. It wasn't the best. It's really stressful when it's competitive burping.
Excuse me.
It's not as natural.
Excuse me. I'm actually docking a point. I'm actually jumping a point for that lack of self-confidence. And for automatically, before the judge even goes.
You blew it?
Oh, no!
Honestly, it's like you're gonna tell me what's a good burp and a not burp, and I'm the judge.
Oh,
We're
no!
kind of blowing your load before the show.
All right.
I did. I blew a lot of loads earlier.
So currently the score is Jen, you have 9.5, and Christina, you are at 8 after 2 rounds of burps.
Oh my God, what if I lose to you? I'll be so embarrassed.
Excuse me.
You won't.
That part of it, that's not what you should be focusing on right now. Get your act together. Get your act together, and don't tell the judge what a bad job you did. What if I like that burp? I'm a celebrity guest judge. I might not even know about burps, and I don't. I'll try to do one at the end though, just for fun.
Oh yeah, you have to do one.
I'll try one.
End.
I could try to chug a little beer and see what happens.
All right. Oh my! I'm so excited. So that means our celebrity judge will be burping at the end of the show.
Yes.
Very exciting. Burping with the stars, everyone. All right, round 3. Remember, this is the best of 5 production. Jen, are you ready?
Oh, big chug.
Huge. Oh, wow. Great burp and great tits. Like, amazing.
Okay.
We're making the huge.
Okay, I know some people might think the pulling down the top was an act of desperation, but you also gave me some great volume. So you are going to get points for creativity with that. I love that you fought for it with the cleavage and the creativity, and you had some good volume on that one. I'm giving that one a 7.
Oh, it's huge.
I never expected to get more than a 3, honestly.
I literally invited you to this burping contest thinking that I could beat you, and now I'm learning a huge lesson.
Wow, it's not over yet. You're only in round 3. Pull out some big guns here.
Never get too cocky.
I know.
And don't forget, you got those creativity points up for grabs.
Okay, so here we go. Here's my round 3 burp. What if I blew it and the judge just space it? Like,
okay, so I'm giving I was impressed by the lack of drink. I feel like you got to get acknowledged for using Simply Air to create that burp. We also had some varieties where it kind of cut out a little bit, the burp, and came back a little bit barfy.
Maybe something more. I was like,
I was a little barfy.
I'm giving that one a 6.7.
This judge is gonna have to do a lot of math in order to fucking decide who wins.
Yeah,
I'm just
we
saying.
want to keep people on their toes here.
She's created too many decimals. It's gonna be confusing when she's gonna need a calculator to decide who wins.
Yeah, yeah, or just a lot of time thinking. Ooh, a little bonus.
I know. I like it when it's not competitive. The burps come out so naturally.
they do.
But the competition I get nervous, I think. And then I think my burps start to like, oh my God.
Yours doesn't even match your voice. It sounds like it's coming from a whole other person. These, I mean, guys, save it for the competition.
Oh,
These are great.
really?
That was your best one so far.
We're comedians. We're like funnier off stage sometimes.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
This is what happens. We go on stage and we're like, oh no, so awkward.
Okay, can I offer a 4th round challenge?
Yes.
Okay, so for the 4th round, I want to hear like multiple burps. I want to see how many burps you can get.
Oh, this is a good idea.
For one.
Very good idea.
It's a great idea.
I want to go multitude here.
Like a burpapalooza.
A burpapalooza.
Okay, I like this idea a lot. Okay, so Jen, you go first. So let's say just
This is like a drinking game.
Why don't I do this? Why don't I set a timer on my phone and you do the most burps you can do in 45 seconds?
I love that. That's great.
Okay, right? 45
About
seconds.
10 seconds. 45? 10.
10? Nah.
45? That's a
Okay,
lot.
so let's split the difference and do 20 seconds.
20 seconds of burps.
Because that's quite a bit.
And then the timer will go off at it says 20 minutes right now. You probably don't want that, eh? 20
I'm gonna
seconds.
be wasted.
I know. Well, whatever. It's Thursday night. What else would we be doing? Okay, are you ready? We're gonna. I set the timer for 20 seconds.
Okay, but
It's actually Friday night.
Oh, I don't know what day it is. Well, maybe I'll post this on Friday. Oh,
tell me-
that's smart.
let's start.
Okay, are you ready? On your marks, get set. The most burps you can do in 20 seconds, and go. Oh, not bad, not bad.
I mean, I gotta say, I'm counting.
I think that last one was throw up.
Okay, yeah. You know what? Again, I'm going to dock you for that because I was going to give you, I simply counted the amount of burps and that's the score I was going to give you. But you did mention.
Gosh, she's a tough judge.
I would have given you 1 point more, but I counted 8, but you're only getting 7 for that. Okay.
I think that's a pretty good score.
Yeah, but that was a lot. It seemed like you were done after 3 or 4, but you came back strong. So 7 for that.
Ooh.
You gotta kick it into high gear.
I like.
Pressure is on for Christina.
All right, are we ready for my round of Burpapalooza? I will pull down the shirt a little bit. This is a sports bra. I will play the Gen games, but do I get creativity points for staying in my sports bra from the morning run?
I mean, not if you bring it up.
Oh yeah, you're right. Anyways, it's okay. It doesn't smell. She's the only one that's gonna smell me.
You've got props here. You know, get creative. Change it up. What can you do here?
You're right. All right. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get creative. Okay. All right. Okay, so
20 seconds. You have 5 seconds of prep.
20 seconds on the clock. Are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, and oh.
Okay, you know what? Here's what I liked about that. While you had fewer burps than Jen, you had several double burps. You had a burp so I'm counting those as 2 burps. So I'm going to give you also a 7 on that round.
All right, so we tied on
now,
that
do you
round.
want to know where your scores are at?
Before we go into the last round.
Until you go into your final round. Okay, well, here we go. All right, that's gonna, okay, great. Oh, no, you know what? It's actually gonna take a long time for me to figure that out.
I knew it.
But let's say that Christina is lightly trailing.
I think I am trailing.
Trailing, but lightly trailing could definitely make it up in this round. Let's see.
That's gonna be our last burp.
Yeah, exactly. The freebies. Oh my God. All right. So I said the last round had to be us, and we're just gonna have to burp along to a song. So I'm just going to. I also want to make sure it's kind of up. I don't want to make it too weird and something you don't totally know. So, and also I have like a lot of. Oh my God, that's so bad. All right, are you ready? Are you ready to burp along?
But it's got to be a song you know that's recognizable, and I don't think your audience is going to recognize that song.
Would it be weird to burp to Sarah McLachlan?
But not even her big hit, the one that no one's gonna. How will they know? How will your
It
audience?
has to be something I know too if I'm gonna burp along to it.
Yeah,
That's true.
Exactly. It has to be something that is.
All right, I think you'll know this song for sure. You'll know this one, right?
Maybe.
Does the judge? I need to get judge's approval.
Well, I think you have to let her know in advance what the song's gonna be because you know it's.
Yeah, this might be a tough. All right. Do you know the song 1, 2, 3, 4 by Coolio?
No.
Yeah.
You don't?
No. But even still, it's gotta be a big hit. You gotta do a big hit.
I pick my own song.
3, 4. No. Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
maybe.
I'll do it.
Maybe we.
I know it now, so I'll do it.
Or should they pick their own song? Okay, all right.
Or should we try it?
No, I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you just said.
All right. Why don't we both do? We both burp to 1, 2, 3, 4 by Coolio.
Okay. I believe the lyrics are 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your woman on the floor.
Yeah.
Party on, party on.
It's a really progressive lyrics. All right.
Okay.
And honestly, I'll probably just put the song in the background, but we should do this similar thing where this is like your last chance to burp as hard as you can. So just like burp until you can't burp no more. All right, but with a little music. I feel like that we don't have music rights on OnlyFans, and if we do, we'll find out. Okay.
Well, you don't have to put it in the background, do you?
I don't think so, but
yeah, well, maybe we
we'll
do
just do it.
Should we do acapella?
You played it a little bit clip of it, so people will.
Yeah,
know
we
it.
should just do like acapella style.
All right,
All
so
right,
it's Coolio's 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Get your woman on the floor. Gotta get up, get down. Gotta get up, get down. All right, and that's it. Okay. So I don't play the song, but you're just gonna freestyle it. Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay. All right. It's very exciting. Okay.
That's all I got.
Oh!
All right.
Let's just remind the audience what the song sounds like. Good tuning.
I can't burp that long.
All right.
Okay, but did she already do it?
Yeah, because I can't burp that long.
Okay, should you try again?
No.
I think you're
All right.
commentating. You're.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a 5 there for here's the thing. I'm giving you a 5 because you were at a distinct disadvantage as Christina is absolutely sabotaging you in this contest. By choosing a song that is not even a song that you know. You tried to be a good sport about it, but you were set up to fail.
Yeah, but I also can't burp a song at all.
Yeah, and that's another reason how she sabotaged you and made that the final round. Absolutely. And guess what? She succeeded. So, but I did also give you a bonus point there for the nose pick, touch of creativity in there, giving it all you got.
Oh yeah, we're gonna talk about Jen's OnlyFans at the end of the show. She is Nose Picker Magoo. So if you have bonus fetishes, you need to follow her at Nose Picker Magoo.
My foot is
and get some more Jen Murphy in your life. She's very festive.
Yeah.
So yeah, but hopefully I win this burping competition. All right. Let me just play a little more Coolio to get me in the mood. It's not a fantastic voyage. Okay. All right. I'm ready. Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah.
I do.
Hold on.
I mean,
You can't do a mid-round top up. You can't.
Oh, no,
do
the
a
judges were good.
No. Jen didn't get a chance. No, nothing counts. Jen didn't get to do a mid-round top up.
Political.
I'm gonna go ahead, make my call.
that was really good though. You did get 1, 2, 3, 4.
I got the 1, 2, 3, 4.
Jen, please stop. This is your opponent. Stop reminding me what she did well. It's like you've never done a burp competition on pay-per-view before. All right, I gotta say, I distinctly heard the words 1, a subtle 2. I definitely heard get your whoa. Man, I'm gonna go ahead. That was very impressive. I'm gonna go ahead and give that an 8.
Yes.
Highest score thus far, despite the fact that you clearly sabotaged your best friend, set her up to fail. But there is a complicated math. There were some decimals involved. Talk amongst yourselves while I give you the final tally.
I mean, just so you know, Jen, whatever happens, I do love you.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm glad that this won't ruin our friendship.
It's not going to ruin our friendship. I think you actually did a better job than I expected you to.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Is that a deep cut or is that a compliment? We don't know, but I really.
Well, no, I didn't do. I might have done a little better than you expected, but I think you did. I think you got too cocky and put out some huge burps before the
I
competition.
think you're right. I think I blew my load before the fucking competition.
Absolutely. I do have the final scores.
Oh my God. Are you ready?
Jen, your total was, after 4 rounds of burping competition,
5.
5 rounds.
She's new.
Jen, your score after 5 rounds of burping competition, including a last round where you were clearly sabotaged by Christina and forced to do something to a song that clearly no one has heard of except for Christina. Coolio's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Everybody knows Coolio.
Everybody knows Gangsta's Paradise, and you know it, and nobody knows 1, 2, 3, 4. You're out of your mind. Jen, your total, an impressive 28.5 out of a potential of 50, which is great. Some high class, above average burps. Christina,
Bonus burps.
Christina, you trailed, or this is the thing with the burpers, is you can't get a word in edgewise. They act like a burp isn't an interruption when it absolutely is. If you had started a full sentence right now, that would be no different. I'm trying to do a dramatic reveal.
My bad.
All right, Christina, you were trailing Jen, or at best tying Jen throughout 4 rounds of competition. But in the end, you managed to get 29.7. A difference of 1.2. Christina, you have won the burp competition by the slimmest of margins, and it might be because of your dramatic flower work.
Oh, baby. It's all about a little flower.
Adding a little creativity.
Crisp from a rose. That's all you need.
I believe I lost.
I can't believe it either. You actually would have won. You won every other round except you tied round 4. So let's go over the scores. Round 1, Christina, a pitiful 4. Jen, 6. Oh, wait, never mind. Christina, round 2, 4. Jen, you had that 3.5. That also did some harm. Christina, you came in strong round 3 with a 6.7, but Jen, you bested her at 7. Round 4, you tied 7 and 7. Both of you did some self-sabotaging, criticizing your own burps, complimenting each other's burps.
Well, we're from the 80s. Yeah.
But then, Jen, you admitted that you've never burped a song. We're not prepared. We're given a song you didn't know. And you were only able to score a 5, including some creativity for that last round, whereas Christina, you came in strong, mouthing the words of the unknown Coolio song 1, 2, 3, 4, giving you an 8.
He obviously practiced it.
You.
I thought that was a huge hit. I just put my phone on shuffle, and I thought it was I thought it was great. But
you actually pitched an even more unknown song by Sarah McLachlan, like a ballad at the beginning.
Before that,
literally no one will recognize.
Sarah McLachlan's "Fallen" was actually the first song that popped up.
I will give your OnlyFans $10 a month if they have heard the Sarah McLachlan song "Fallen."
Oh my God.
It's hilarious.
All right. Well, guess what? Anessa promised that she would give a burp.
Oh, I did, didn't I? Okay, so I'm not a burper. But okay, so
neither am I.
Looks like the contestants become the judges.
Okay,
Jen, let's get on her.
Just
let's
for your thing. So now, are you going to recommend a beer to kind of get something going? Now, you were gulping pure air, which also gave you some bonus points, but I might need some help here. Okay, is there any tricks to burping? How do you get them out?
Swallow some air.
It is a swallowing of air. Like
okay.
You gotta just gulp it in and then let it out.
All right.
I'm very excited for this. All right, here we go.
Literally,
amateur burper, professional judge.
If I burp, it's like a little it's like no sound or kind of vibe. You know what I mean? I don't really do. I've never done a belch, so let's see. Here we go.
Oh my God, first time burper. I'm so excited.
Okay.
I sound like a zombie. Okay, one more.
No pressure, but
I drooled.
We might need
drooled.
We're gonna need a bucket here.
Doing that thing I do where it looks like you're gonna puke.
Oh no. Oh my God.
Just chugging the beer is hard.
Oh, no. Jen, do you have any? Wow, well, that was very powerful. That just goes to show that sometimes judges,
Hey, those who cannot do, teach.
Exactly.
So those who cannot burp, judge.
That's
exactly. Those who can do. Those who can't teach. So yeah. Jen, any last burps for the people at home?
No, I think I got them all out. One more before I end recording.
Oh yeah. I'll do one more. I will.
Go for it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Get your burp on the floor.
But I gotta get up to get down.
Literally burp the cool. What was that? Here we go. What's that?
You have the rest of this. I'm not gonna do the break.
I got more. Don't worry. Here you go. You got.
I don't think you burped.
Getting a beat though.
Do you think Coolio's gonna get mad at me for using his song?
Yeah. All right. Recording? Start.
We are still recording, right?
No, she stopped it.
No, but now I started again if you want to do a closer.
All right, so I want to thank you all for watching this, and we hope you enjoyed The burps. Oh no, that was a bad one. But we hope you enjoyed the burps. And please follow Jen Murphy on OnlyFans at Nosepicker Magoo, right?
Yeah.
If you want to further your excitement in life, I feel like just follow Nosepicker Magoo. And the last burp for me, obviously.
Yeah.
One last burp from you.
Nothing. I got nothing.
Proof I have a gift. I love it. And Jen, your last words? Yeah.